Have you ever been ignored by a woman you really liked? No reply, no explanation, just silence. And you sit there thinking, what did I do wrong? But what if I told you that her ignoring you can actually work in your favor? Here's the truth most men don't understand. When a woman ignores you, it's not random. In her mind, she has already judged your value. And once she thinks you're not worth it, she moves on. But if you know how to respond the right way, you can completely flip the situation. In this video, I'll show you 6 powerful moves that make her regret ignoring you. 1. Act like she doesn't exist when she ignores you. Don't chase, don't ask, don't beg. Most guys make this mistake. Hey, is everything okay? Why are you ignoring me? This instantly lowers your value. Instead, act like she doesn't exist. Not in an angry way, but in a calm, unbothered way. When she sees you're not affected, that's when she starts questioning herself. 2. Don't react emotionally. Sometimes she ignores you to test you. She wants to see. Do you get needy? Do you lose control? If you react emotionally, you fail. Stay calm. Stay silent. Stay in control. Because the moment you lose control, you lose attraction. 3. Level up your life. Truth is, a high-value version of you would never be ignored. So instead of chasing her, start chasing growth. Improve your body. Build your income. Upgrade your mindset. When you level up, you don't need to prove anything. Your results will speak for you. 4. Stop being boring. Here's something most men don't want to hear. You might just be boring. You can have money. You can have looks. But if you're not fun to be around, she will lose interest. Women are drawn to emotion and excitement. So ask yourself, are you interesting? Do you make her feel something? If not, that's the real problem. 5. Take back your power. Many men give women too much power. They tolerate bad behavior just because they're afraid of losing her. And that's exactly why they lose her. Respect is everything. If she disrespects you, you don't chase her. You step back, because a man who respects himself is automatically more attractive. 6. Focus on your purpose. A man with no purpose overthinks everything, but a man with a mission doesn't have time to worry about one woman. When your life has direction, her actions lose power over you, and that's the ultimate position to be in. How to find your purpose. If you don't know your purpose yet, start with this simple exercise. Ask yourself why. Why do you want success? Why do you want money? And keep asking why again and again, at least 10 times. If your answers run out, it's not your real purpose. But if they keep going deeper, you've found something real. At the end of the day, when a woman ignores you, it's not the end, it's a test. And how you respond determines everything. So stop chasing, start improving, and watch how the game changes.